మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. రెగ్యులర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి.
Maths Part 1st Standard 10th Unit number 2 Quadratic Equation. Application of Quadratic Equation Part number 7. Hi friends, today we are learn about application of quadratic equation. In this chapter, this is the example in word problem. First example here, there is a rectangular onion storehouse in the farm of Mr. Ratnakar Rao at Tusa. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth by 7 meter and diagonal is more than length by 1 meter. Find length and breadth of the storehouse. Solution. How to solve this example? See here. Solution. Let breadth of the storehouse be x meter. Therefore length is more than 7 meter. The length of rectangular base is more than its breadth is 7 meter. Therefore length is equal to x plus 7 meter and diagonal is equal to more than 1 in length. X plus 7 plus 1 is equal to x plus 8 meter. By Pythagoras theorem, using the Pythagoras theorem, base square plus length square is equal to diagonal square. Use the expansion formula of a plus b bracket square to x plus 7 square and x plus 8 square. X square, the square of first term, plus 2 into first term and second, 2 7 14x plus square of second term 49 is equal to square of first term x square plus 2 into first term and second term 16x plus square of second term is 64. Give all term in left side. Therefore x square plus 14x plus 49, x gives minus x square minus 16x minus 64 is equal to 0. Here x square minus x square cancelling and the sum of like terms. Here x square, therefore x square plus 14x minus 16x minus 2x plus 49 minus 64, sum is minus 15 is equal to 0. Solve this example in factorization method. The product is minus 15, the sum is minus 2, 5 3s are these two factor of minus 15. Write down x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Give the common factor of two term. X is a common, x minus 5 plus, here the 3 is a common factor, remaining part x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 first and second, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of x is equal to 5 or value of x is equal to minus 3. But length is never minus, but length is never negative. Length is never negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 5 and x plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Therefore length of the base of storehouse is 12 meter and breadth is breadth is 5 meter. In this type, solve above example. See the next example word problem. Example number 2. A train travel 360 km with uniform speed. The speed of train is increased by 5 km per hour. It takes 48 minutes less to cover the same distance. Find the initial speed of the train. First let initial speed of the train be x km per hour. Therefore new speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. The time to cover 360 km is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 360 and initial speed is x hours. New time after new time after increasing speed is equal to 360 upon speed is increased 5 km per hour x plus 5 hours. From given condition, from given condition 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 360 upon x minus 48 upon 60. 48 minute means 48 upon 60 hours. 48 upon 60 goes to here. 48 upon 60 is equal to 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5. Therefore 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 upon 60. Dividing both sides by 30/60 is equal to remaining here 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 48 upon 60 into 360. Dividing both sides by 360. Here x plus 5 minus x upon multiplication of denominator x upon x plus 5. Here 12 4 जा 12 5 4 9 36. Therefore remaining 1 upon 5 into 19. Therefore x cancelling, remaining numerator 5, denominator x upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 5 into 90, 450. 5 upon x into x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 450. The multiplication, cross multiplication, x square plus 5x plus x square plus 5x into 1 is equal to x square plus 5x is equal to 5 into 450 is equal to 2250. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 2250 therefore is equal to 0. This example solved in factorization method. Factorization of 2250 into 2 part and sum of middle coefficient is 5, 50 and 45. These two factor 50 and minus 54 are these two factor of 2250. Therefore x square plus 50x minus 45x minus 2250 is equal to 0. Give the common factor x plus 50 and minus 40 in bracket x plus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 50 into x minus 45 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 50 is equal to 0 or x minus 45 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 50 or x is equal to 45. But speed is never negative. But speed in never negative. Therefore x is not equal to minus 50. Therefore x is equal to 45. Therefore initial speed of the train is 45 km per hour. In this type, solve above example. Let's see next example number 3. Mukund possesses Rs 50 more than what Sagar possesses. The product of the number of the amount they have is rupees 15,000. Find the amount each has. Solution. Let Sagar have rupees x, and then Mukund has rupees x plus 15. From the given condition, the number rupees, Sagar rupees and Mukund rupees multiplication is 15,000. Therefore x square, solving the bracket, x square plus 50x minus 15,000 is equal to 0. Here the solve this quadratic equation in factorization method. The factor of 15,000 in 150 and 100, the sum is 50. 100 is a minus. Therefore x square plus 150x minus 100x minus 15,000 is equal to 0. Give the common factor. X is the common. X plus 150 minus 100 into x plus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore common bracket x plus 150 and next bracket x minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 150 is equal to 0 or x minus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 150 or x is equal to 100. But the amount cannot be, but the amount cannot be negative, therefore x is not equal to minus 150, therefore x is equal to 100 and x plus 50 is equal to 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. Answer: Sagar has rupees 100 and Mukund has rupees 150. In this type, solve above example.